largest trading partner, and the India-US bilateral trade is now touching around $200 billion a year. Last year it was $192 billion. You know, when President Biden went to India as the vice president of this country,
stop it. Get some help.
He has set a goal of having the bilateral trade to around $500 billion a year. Does the president still believes in that goal, and what steps his administration is taking to reach that goal of India-US bilateral trade of $500 billion?
Get out of here! As you know, the United States and India have a strong bilateral relationship, and that's including trade as well. Trade relationship. We're committed to continuing working together and in groups like the Quad to advance.
You serious?